In this final module, we will apply all of the rules and principles governing financial regulation and allied professional conduct issues, discussed in detail in the preceding modules, to the main areas of law dealt with by solicitors. In summary, solicitors should ask themselves the following 7 questions before carrying on a regulated activity without obtaining FCA authorization. 1. Is the firm carrying on a business? 2. If so, does the activity involve a specified investment under FSMA? 3. If so, is the activity capable of being a regulated activity under the RAO? 4. If so, does the activity fall within any of the exclusions in the RAO? 5. If not, is the activity capable of being an exempt regulated activity under Part 20 of the Act? 6. If so, the activity will be non-mainstream and exempt, in which case the firm will need to comply with any restrictions imposed on it in relation to this kind of activity under the scope rules. By contrast, if the activity does not fulfil the basic conditions under Part 20 of the Act and the scope rules, the activity will be mainstream, and the firm will need to be authorised by the FCA. 7. Where the activity is not mainstream, the firm must be authorised by the SRA and must comply with the SRA's conduct of business rules in relation to this activity. If it does, the investment activity will not be caught by the general prohibition, provided the firm complies with the rules on financial promotions, money laundering and the practice rules contained in the SRA Code of Conduct.